Hello students, I am Mohammad Asim. First, I want to thanks to all those students who like my previous video coordinate geometry past papers. Now today we are going to start functions O level mathematics past papers. Let's have a look. Question number 1. 24. Okay students, this is question number 25. Came in June 2012, paper 1-1, and the question is, if fx is equals to 6x square minus x plus 3, part A, find 1 f of 2, 2 f of minus 1, 3 the values of x for which fx equals to 5, and part B is write down and simplify an expression for f of a plus 1. This is question number 25, came in June 2012, paper 1-1. Paper 1-1 means it's variant and calculator is not allowed. So very easy solution. Given that fx equals to 6x square minus x plus 3, we have to find in part A 1 f of 2. F of 2 means we have to put 2 in the question where we see x. So we have to put 2 instead of x. See 6x square, but x is 2. So 2 square minus x is 2 plus 3. 6, 2 square is 4 minus 2 plus 3. 6 4s are 24 minus 2 plus 3. 24 minus 2 is 20 plus 22 plus 22 plus 3 is 25. So this is the answer of f of 2. F of 2 means we have to put 2 where we see x in the question. Part 2. Part 2 is f of minus 1. Now for f of minus 1, we have to put minus 1 in the question where we see x. So 6x square means 1 minus 1 square minus x is minus 1 plus 3. Student, whenever you see minus sign and you have to put the value of minus, so you must apply the bracket because minus changes the sign. 6 minus 1 square is plus 1. Square of the negative number is always positive. Minus minus plus 1 plus 3. 6 1 is 6 plus 1 plus 3. So f of minus 1 is 6 plus 1 is 7. 7 plus 3 is 10. I hope you understand how we find the value. Next part is part number 3. Part number 3 is find the values of x. Whenever you see the word values mean the plural of value. The values of x means it should be more than one value. So it's a hint in the question. The values of x for which fx is equals to 5. So in this question, we know what is fx in the question. 6x square minus x plus 3. Now replace fx by 5. Sometimes students put 5 where they see x in the question. No students, fx is equals to 5 means we have to replace this fx by 5. 6x square minus x plus 3. Move this 5 on other side, it will become 6x square. 6x square minus x plus 3 minus 5 is equals to 0. 6x square minus x minus 5 plus 3 is what? Minus 2 is equals to 0. So this equation becomes a quadratic equation. How to solve a quadratic equation? There are so many methods. Method of completing square, method of middle term means factorization, method of quadratic formula. But personally, I feel comfort to apply middle term breaking method. 2 6 are 12 and 4 3s are. So 6x square minus 4x plus 3x minus 2. Middle term breaking method means the first term and the last term should be same. Only break the middle term. The middle term is x. It becomes minus 4x plus 3x because minus 4x plus 3x is again minus x. Now take first two part and last two part. Take the common. Here common is 2x. So 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4 plus. If there is no common, we have to take 1. So 1 3s are 3x, 1 2s are 2 is equals to 0. If these two brackets are same, it means your factorization is 100% correct. So if you see 3x minus 2, same, you just write 3x minus 2 one time. And what is left over here? 2x. What is left over here? Plus 1 is equals to 0. This implies that 3x minus 2 is equals to 0. 2x plus 1 is equals to 0. Now 3x, move this minus 2 on other side, it will become plus 2, and x, move this 3, this is multiply, this should divide. So x is equals to 2 over 3. Now take this 2x, move 1 on other side, so it will become minus 1. So x is equals to, this 2 is multiply over here, this should divide by other side. So x is equals to minus 1 upon 2. Here therefore x is equals to 2 upon 3 or minus 1 upon 2. I hope you understand how we find the answer. Now see the last part. The last part is write down and simplify an expression for f of a plus 1. I have no space on my board, therefore I am rubbing these two parts. I hope you completely understand these two parts. So I am rubbing this. See part B of the question. Part B is write down and simplify an expression of f of a plus 1. F of a plus 1 means we have to put a plus 1 where see x in the question. So 6 multiply x square, x becomes a plus 1 whole square minus x. X is a plus 1 and plus 3. Okay. Now simplify this. 6, because the requirement is write down and simplify. Simplify means as small as possible. So 6 a plus 1 whole square. How to expand this? By using a plus b whole square formula. What is the formula of a plus b whole square? A square plus 2ab. 2 into a, 2a, 2a into 1, 2a. Plus b square, here b is 1, 1 square is 1. Now apply minus sign on this bracket, minus a minus plus minus 1 plus 3. Multiply this 6 by the whole bracket, 6 into a square, 6a square, 6 2s are 12, a 6 1s are 6, minus a, minus 1 plus 3 is plus 2, 6a square, 12a minus 1a is plus 11a, 6 plus 2 is 8. This should be the answer because it is not more simplified. This is the simplification form of the given part, 6a square plus 11a plus 8. Now move to another question. What is next question is, the next question is 37. Yes. I am rubbing this. Our next question is from this is question number 19. paper June 2012, paper 1 2. This question 19 means this is past papers question number. Okay, in part A, given that fx equals to x cube minus 4, find part 1 f of minus 2, part 2 f inverse x, and part B gy equals to y square minus 3y plus 1. Write down and simplify an expression for g of a minus 2. Very easy question. Solution. Part A, fx equals to x cube minus 4. What is the requirement in part number 1? In part number 1, the requirement is find f minus 2. F minus 2 means we have to put minus 2 where we see x in the question. There is x cube, it means it will become minus 2 cube. Minus 4. You know the square of the, if you see the odd power of negative number, the answer is always negative. 3 is odd, therefore the answer is minus 2 cube is 2 into 2 into 2. Multiply 2 3 times, 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8. Minus 4, minus 8 minus 4 is minus 12. So minus 12 is the answer. Come to part 2. What is part 2? F inverse x. Student, whenever you find the inverse of the function, I want to give you, actually there are so many ways to find the inverse of a function, but there is one secure way. Secure way means if you apply these methods, these steps which I am going to telling you, there is no mistake in the question, I promise you. What is the first step? First step is convert fx by y. This is step number 1. I am writing 1. 1 means step number 1. So replace fx by y. This is the first step. The second step is make x as the subject of the given formula. X is the subject of the given formula means shift this minus 4 on other side. Y plus 4 x cube. Can I say x is the subject of the formula in this situation? No, because this is cube. So we have to move this cube on other side. How to move cube on other side? Very easy. Whenever we move square on other side, we have to take square root. Whenever we move cube on other side, we have to take cube root. So the answer is y plus 4 cube root is equals to x. What is the third step? Third step is replace x by f inverse y. So f inverse y is y plus 4 cube root. And what is the fourth and final step is replace y by x. So f inverse x is equals to x plus 4 cube root. This is our final answer. I want to give you another, what should I say? One more time. See one more time all steps. Whenever we find f inverse x, first we have to replace fx by y. So fx by y is equals to x cube minus 4. The second step is make x, always makes x as the subject of the given formula. Move this minus 4 on other side. This is y plus 4 is equals to x cube. Whenever we move cube on other side, we always take cube root on other side. So it will become y plus 4 cube root is equals to x. Now 100% x is the subject of the given formula, because subject of the given formula means there is no coefficient, there is no exponent, there is no denominator. The third step is replace x by f inverse y. So f inverse y is equals to cube root of y plus 4, and the last step is replace y by x. So f inverse x is equals to y plus 4 cube root. I hope you completely understand. Don't write 1, 2, 3, 4 in exam. I am just giving you in the form of a step. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. You can rub this. So this is your answer. Come to part B of the question. What is part B? Part B is gy is equals to y square minus 3y plus 1. Write down and simplify an expression for g of a minus 2. It's very easy. Students, g of a minus 2 means we have to put a minus 2 where we see y in the question, because in this case question in the form of y. So y square means a minus 2 square minus 3 into y. What is y? A minus 2 plus 1. A minus 2 whole square expand by the a minus b whole square formula. So a square minus 2 a b plus b square minus 3 into a 3a minus minus plus 2 plus 1. So a square minus 2 to the 4a, 2 square is 4 minus 3a, 2 plus 1 is 3. A square minus 4a minus 3a minus 7a plus 4 plus 3 is 7. This is the answer of g of a minus 2. I hope you understand. Wait, is there any mistake? Oh, sorry. 3 into a 3a minus minus plus 3 to the 6. I am sorry. 6 plus 1 7. 7 plus 4 is 11. Sometime I forgot to multiply a number, but kindly you don't do this. Next question. So I hope you completely understand. Move to question number 3. What is next question? Next question is question number 20. Question number 20 is came in November 2012, paper 1-1. Okay, and the question is fx equals to x plus 3 over 2. Part A, find f inverse x. Part B, given f of minus 9 plus f of t equals to a plus bt. Find the values of a and b. Again, very easy question. The first part solution I can do over here. Solution of given that fx is equals to x plus 3 upon 2. Student, how to find f inverse x? The requirement in part A is f inverse x. Right now you know there are 4 steps to find the f inverse of x. The first step is to replace fx by y. The second step is to make x is the subject of the given formula. 2 multiplied by y is 2y minus 3 is equals to x. The third step is replace x by f inverse y, and the fourth and final step is replace y by x. 2x minus 3. This is the answer of part A. Now part B, very interesting part. F of minus 9 plus f of t is equals to a plus bt. Students, we have given fx is x plus 3 over 2. So first we have to find f of minus 9. F of minus 9, we have to put minus 9 where we see x. So minus 9, x is minus 9 plus 3 over 2. Minus 9 plus 3 is what? Minus 6. Minus 6 over 2 is 2 3s are minus 6. So f of minus 9 is minus 3. Now we have to find f of t. F of t means we have to put t where we see x. So x is t plus 3 upon 2, or we can write 1 upon 2t plus 3 upon 2. This and this is 100% same. T into 1 t and 3 upon 2. If you take the LCM of 2, you will get again t plus 3 upon 2. Okay, now come to the main question, f of minus 9. What is f of minus 9? We have already find minus 3 plus ft. What is ft? We have find 1 upon 2 t plus 3 upon 2 is equals to a plus bt. First, this is minus 3, this is 3 upon 2, and this is a plus b upon t. We just rearrange that constants. This minus 3 is constant and this 3 upon 2 is constant. Constant means without t. 2 3s are 6. 6 minus 3 is minus 3 over 2 plus 1 upon 2t is equals to a plus bt. Now comparing means first we compare constants. Here constant means without t. Here constant is minus 3 over 2 is equals to, here constant is a. Therefore the value of a, or a is equals to, you can write in the form of mixed number, minus 1 whole 1 upon 2. Okay. Now compare the coefficient of t. The coefficient of t over here is 1 upon 2 and the coefficient of t over here is b. Therefore the value of b is 1 upon 2. What is the requirement? Find the values of a. Hence a is minus 1 whole 1 upon 2, b is equals to 1 upon 2. This is the answer. This question is came in November 12 paper 1-1, question number 20. See the next question. Next question is, so I hope you completely understand this question. Next question is question number 4, November 12, paper 1-2, and the question is fx equals to 5 plus 3x. Part A, evaluate f of minus 1 upon 2. Part B is f inverse x. It's very small question, only 2 marks questions. So the solution is, given that fx is equals to 5 plus 3x, the first part A is evaluate f of minus 1 upon 2. So f of minus 1 upon 2 means we have to put minus 1 upon 2 where we see x. So 5 plus 3 into x. X is minus 1 upon 2. 5 plus multiply by minus is minus 3 1s are 3 upon 2. So 5 minus 3 upon 2. The shortcut method is 2 5s are 10. 10 minus 3 is 7 upon 2. Or you can write in the form of mixed number 2 3s are 6 1 upon 2. So the answer is 3 whole 1 upon 2, or you can write 7 upon 2. You will get full marks. The next part is find f inverse x. Fx is equals to 5 plus 3x. What is the first step? Y is equals to 5 plus 3x. The second step is make x the subject. Y minus 5, this 3 multiply, this should divide. The third step is x, replace x by f inverse y is equals to y minus 5 upon 3. And the last step is replace y by x, so that fx is equals to x minus 5 over 3. Answer. Very small question, very easy question. Next question. Now what is next question? Question number this question number 13, past papers question number 13. This question came in November 2013. This is question number 13, paper 1-1. Okay, and the question is fx is equals to 7 minus 3x upon 2x. Part A, find f of 4, and part B is find f inverse of x. Very easy. What is part A? Fx is equals to 7 minus 3x upon 2x. Students, we have to find f of 4. F of 4 means we have to put 4 where we see x in the question. 7 minus 3 multiplied by 4, x. X is 4 upon 2 multiplied by x. X is 4. So 7 minus 3 4s are 12. Sometimes students do 7 minus 3 is 4. No, we have to apply board mass rule always. So first we multiply, then subtract. 3 4s are 12 and 2 4s are 8. 7 minus 12 is minus 5. Minus 5 upon 8 is the answer. I hope you understand how we find the function value f of 4. The second part is we have to find the inverse. How to find the inverse? You know very well. First replace fx by y. 7 minus 3x upon 2x. Next we have to make x as the subject. Multiply this 2x by y. You will get 2xy is equals to 7 minus 3x. 2xy, move this minus 3x on other side, it will become 3x is equals to 7. Take x as the common. 2y plus 3 is equals to 7. X is equals to 7. This 2y plus 3 is multiply. This should divide by other side. What is the third step? Third step is replace x by f inverse y, is equals to 7 upon 2y plus 3. What is the last step? Replace y by x. 7 upon 2x plus 3. This is the answer. Move to next question. Students, this is very easy topic. You can get full marks in this topic in your exam if you do practice like this. The next question is question number 3. This question came in November 2013, paper 1-2, and the question is fx is equals to 2x minus 6. Part A, evaluate f of minus 1 upon 2, and part B, find f inverse of x. Very easy. Now you can do easily questions. Given that fx is equals to 2x minus 6, replace x by minus 1 upon 2. So 2 multiplied by x. X is minus 1 upon 2 minus 6. 2 cancel by this 2. Minus 1 minus 6 is equals to minus 7. I hope you understand कैसे minus 7, how to get minus 7. Part B is find f inverse x. Here fx is equals to 2x minus 6. Again apply 4-step method. Y is equals to 2x minus 6. Then make subject x. 2x, y plus 6 upon 2 is equals to x. Then replace x by f inverse y. Y plus 6 upon 2. Then replace y by x. F inverse x is equals to x plus 6 upon 2. This is the final answer. Hope you understand how we get the answer of f inverse x. Move to next question. What is next question? The next question is June 2014. This question came in, this is question number 13, came in June 2014, paper 1-2. This topic actually belongs to paper 1. Many times question of this topic functions come in paper 1. fx equals to 2 minus 3x. Find part A, f of minus 5. Part B, f inverse x. Solution: we have given fx is equals to 2 minus 3x, and we have to find f of minus 2. F of minus 2 means we have to put minus 2 where we see x. 2 minus 3 into minus 2. 2 minus multiplied by minus is plus. 3 2 is 6. 2 plus 6 is 8. So 8 is the answer of student, I am sorry. We have to find f of minus 5. I did mistake. I wrote minus 2 instead of minus 5. But don't worry. This is again very easy. Minus minus plus 3 5s are 15. 15 plus 2 is 17. I hope you understand. Next part is part B. Same question. fx is equals to 2 minus 3x. We have to find f inverse x. Replace fx by y. Next, make x the subject of the given formula. Move this minus 3x on other side, it will become plus 3x. And move this y on other side, it will become minus y. Then x is equals to 2 minus y over 3. Replace this x by f inverse y is equals to 2 minus y upon 3. And finally replace y by x. 2 plus x upon 3. This is x answer. I hope you understand how we find. Sorry, this is minus y. So this should minus. Okay student. So the answer is 2 minus x upon 3. Next question. What is next question is? This is very easy topic. It becomes very easy because You students knows how to find the values of the given function. Next question is November 2014. Question number 4, November 2014, paper 1-2. And the question is fx is equals to 2 multiplied by x minus 3. Part A, evaluate f of 1 upon 2. Part B, find f inverse x. Very easy. Solution is given that fx is equals to 2 into x minus 3. So we have to find f of 1 upon 2. First, if you want to do this part in easy way, first multiply this 2 by the bracket. 2 into x, 2x, 2 into 3, 6. Now we have to find f of 1 upon 2. 2 into x. X is 1 upon 2 minus 6. 2 cancel by this 2. 1 minus 6. 1 minus 6 is minus 5. This is our answer. I hope you understand how we find minus 5. The next part is fx is equals to 2x minus 6. Part B, we have to find f inverse x. Again replace fx by y. 2x minus 6. Y plus 6 is equals to 2x. Y plus 6 upon 2 is equals to x. F inverse y is equals to y plus 6. And lastly, replace this y by x. F inverse x is equals to x plus 6 upon 2. Answer. I hope you completely understand how we find the inverse of the function. Next question is okay. This question came in November 2015. Question number 17. This is past papers question number. November 2015, paper 1-1. And the question is fx equals to 5 plus x square. Find t given that f of 3 minus t is equals to 9. Very easy, very interesting question. Students, first solution, fx equals to 5 plus x square. First we have to find f of 3 minus t. F of 3 minus t is equals to 5 plus. We have to put 3 minus t where we see x. Here is x square. So it will become 3 minus t square. 3 minus t square. And the value of f of 3 minus t is 9. So we replace this f of 3 minus t by 9. This is 5. 3 minus t whole square will expand by using a minus b whole square formula. Formula is 3 square minus 2ab plus b square. So 9, 5 plus 3 square is 9 minus 2 into 3, 6, 6 into t, 60 plus 3 square. 9, 5 plus 9 is 14 minus 6t plus t square. Shift this 9 on other side, it will become, and rearrange, t square minus 6t plus 14, and this 9 shifted on other side, it will become minus 9, and the other side is 0. So t square minus 6t, 14 minus 9 is plus 5 is equals to 0. Again, this is the quadratic equation and we have to solve quadratic equation by using any method. If you feel comfort to apply quadratic formula method, no problem, you can get full marks. But personally, I feel comfort to apply method of factorization. Middle term break method. T square minus 6 minus 5t minus 1t plus 5 is equals to 0. Take t common from these two. So this is 3 minus 5 minus 1. This is 3 minus 5. T minus 5 is equals to 0. And t minus 5 is same. T minus 1 is equals to 0. T minus 5 is equals to 0. This implies that t minus 1 is equals to 0. T is equals to 5. T is equals to 1. Hence, t is equals to 5 or 1 is the final answer. I hope you completely understand how we find the values of t. Next question. But wait for 1 minute. I am filling ink in my marker. The next question is this is question number 17 and the next question is next question is 361. Yes, this question came in November 2015, paper 1-2. November 2015. This is question number 4. November 2015, paper 1-2. And the question is fx equals to 1 plus 4x. Part A, find f of minus 2 over 5. And part B is find f inverse x. Very easy. First solution. Given that fx equals to 1 plus 4x, fx, now we have to find f of minus 2 upon 5 is equals to 1 plus 4 into x. Replace x by minus 2 upon 5. 1 plus minus 4 to the 8 upon 5. Take the LCM, 5 1 is 5, 5 minus 8 is minus 3 upon 5. So minus 3 upon 5 is the answer of part number A. The next part is part B. Given that fx is equals to 1 plus 4x, we need to find f inverse x. Just replace fx by y. Make x is the subject of the given formula. Replace x by f inverse y, and finally replace y by x. X minus 1 upon 4 is the answer. I hope you completely understand how we get f inverse x. Next question. Very small questions and very easy questions. Next question is June 2016. Question number 11. June 2016, paper 1-1. And the question is fx equals to 2x minus 9. Part A, find f of minus 3 over 4, and part B, find f inverse 3. Very interesting part. First solution, given that fx equals to 2x minus 9, so we need to find f of what? Minus 3 over 4 is equals to 2 multiplied by, put minus 3 upon 4 where you see x. So minus 3 upon 4 minus 9. 2 multiplied by minus 3 is minus 6 upon 4 minus 9, and you can cancel directly. Instead of this, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Student, in paper 1, timing is very important. You have to do around 27 questions in 2 hours. 2 hours means just 120 minutes. So don't give more than 2 minutes to one question. So 2 cancel by 4, 2 2s are 4. Answer is minus 3 upon 2 minus 9. Take the LCM 2 into minus 9 minus 18 minus 3 is minus 21 upon 2, or you can write minus 10 whole 1 upon 2 in the form of mixed number. I hope you know how to convert the given fraction into mixed number. Second part is very interesting part. We have to find f inverse 3. So first take fx is equals to 2x minus 9. In order to find f inverse 3, we first find f inverse x. So replace fx by y, 2x minus 9, make x is the subject of the given formula. Replace x by f inverse y, and finally replace y by x. But this is not our final answer, because we need to find f inverse 3. F inverse 3 means we have to put 3 where we see x in f inverse, not in fx. Okay, so 3 plus 9 over 2. 3 plus 9 is what? 12. 12 upon 2 is 6. So 6 is the final answer. I hope you completely understand how we do this question. Okay student, this is our today's class, but I want to give one more class in order to do more past papers questions. Until, do practice more and more this topic. Okay student, see you in next class. But before I want to close my camera, kindly do subscribe my channel and like my videos and share my videos to other your friends as well. Okay students, see you in next class.